and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make high quality transparent liquid detergent that you can use at home or you can sell to get money. First and foremost, you'll require 7 different chemicals. 1 ungerol 1 kg, 2 ufacid 1 kg, 3 sodium chloride 1 kg or simply salt. Number 4, you will require 20 grams of caustic. You will also need color and you will need scent. So put the color and the scent aside and then put all the other chemicals in a large container. Make sure you empty everything into that large container. We started with ufacid, ungerol. Next, you're putting in salt. After salt, you're going to put in STPP, then caustic powder. From there, we're going to start stirring them constantly for many minutes until it forms a smooth paste. This takes a lot of time, so you need to be very patient. At the same time, you need to be very observant because you're going to make a decision once it's smooth. Add in 4 liters of water at the initial stage and keep stirring until that forms another smooth liquid. Just observe what I'm doing. So at this point, when it's ready, I'm going to start putting in 20 more liters of water. I will start by putting in 1 liter, stirring, adding another 1 liter, stirring until all the 20 liters are in. And you can see it's already forming a lot of soap. So I put in 1 liter at a time. Keep stirring. Add in another 1 liter. Remember, this is water that I already measured, so I just fetch it and put into my soap and I keep stirring as it thickens. It also becomes smoother. Remember to have a large container that will take in all that water, because at the end of the day we're going to have 24 liters of liquid soap out of these chemicals. So when all the water is in, that's what it now looks like. So after stirring, we're going to put in the color. That is my blue color, always my favorite, but you can go for any other color that you love. Then stir the color until you are satisfied that it's mixed uniformly. Once the color is uniformly mixed, we are going to add in lavender scent. You can choose any other scent that you love as well, and one that you really like, and then you stir for the final time. Now our soap is nearly ready. You can see a lot of foam at the top. It's smelling really nice, guys. I wish you could feel this. So from here, I'm going to set it aside for 24 hours or overnight for all the foam on top of it to settle. Then I'm going to show you the final product. After 24 hours, this is what my liquid detergent looked like. Quite transparent, very high quality. If you are for selling 5 liters, we go for 500 shillings, Kenyan shillings, or you can use any other price that's accepted within your region. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.